Welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 Forest River XLR Thunderbolt. This is the 382 amp fifth wheel toy hauler. This is the highest line of toy haulers on the Forest River lineup currently. We'll take a few minutes to walk around the outside and inside of this coach. On the outside of this particular unit, this was ordered with the standard graphics package. So it's basically a high gloss gray fiberglass exterior with some vinyl decals. You have a lower black metal and a black and gray fiberglass front cap. The front cap also has LED lights built into the lower section here. So you have an LED light strip on each side, and then a couple that are shining down toward the hitch. So if you're hooking up at night, you can see that a lot easier. You are also going to have the Rotoflex Trail Air pen box standard on the Thunderbolt model, which is a really nice upgrade. Basically, it has a little pivot point here with some rubber bushing in here to help soften the ride a little bit. The camper comes standard with an Onan 5500 watt generator. You have two 30-pound propane tanks on the slide-out tray there. The unit also comes standard with the 6-point auto-level jack system. This is a hydraulic auto-level system, so you just hit a button and the thing auto-levels by itself. But basically you have two hydraulic jacks in the front, two right in front of the axles, and then two just behind the axles. So really nice and secure, stable when you're set up. Just really makes it easier and a lot more enjoyable when you first get there or when you're breaking down to leave. Just hit the button and it does everything. This unit has two awnings on it. This has LED light strip in both awnings, but two side awnings. Power awnings. They are individually controlled. There's also a third awning on the back, but this side arm actually has what they call the smart arm. So it's got some controls actually located right down here, right on the side of the unit to actually control some of this stuff. So it's pretty neat. Nice little upgrade. Nice big pass-through storage compartment. This particular unit has the drop Z frame. You can see the lower part of the I-beam frame down there. So you have a drop Z frame, making that storage compartment much taller. There's LED lights in here, and also some controls for the front lights on the cap. Nice thick baggage doors, better insulation. Has the slam lock baggage doors, which is really nice. Behind this compartment is basically just some maintenance stuff. You've got some wiring, some fuses, hydraulic reservoir for your auto level system. So not much really back there that you're going to use very often. On the side of the slide out, there is two outdoor speakers. There's also TV hookups there. So you have an electric outlet below the window, a TV mount there, and a cable outlet there. The solid entry step going in the door is standard on the main entry door. So that is a Lippert solid entry step, comes down, touches the ground, quad step. These new steps have really kind of helped the RV market. They can place the entry door anywhere they want to now, where they used to have to try and work around the wheels and axles. But now they can put it anywhere they want. So that is actually a door going straight into the slide out of the camper. So that's a pretty cool feature. The back door going into the garage is a traditional hang-down RV step. The solid steps, when they come down and touch the ground, those type of steps actually flip into the door and they take up garage space. So they're trying not to take up another 5 or 6 inches of width of garage space on the back, so it has a traditional RV step back there. The unit comes with the upgraded More Ride 3000 suspension system on the axles. Really nice suspension upgrade. This basically kind of helps act like shocks on a car It goes in between both sets of axles there. So there's another one up there. Again, this is a triple axle system, but that is a really nice upgrade, MoreRide 3000 system. The door on the back and on the main actually have screens on them, so you can leave them open and keep the bugs out if you want to. The front door does have a window in it where the back door does not, so that's a little bit of difference between those two doors. You have LED running lights, so your side marker lights are LED, your front and your back. Some are just doing LED on the rear or LED on the front and rear, but not on the side. So that's a nice feature, LED running gear all the way around. We have the patio awning on the back of this, which is really cool. This is a MoreRide patio system. This one has the side step instead of the rear step. So this is a really nice feature here. It comes out the side instead of having to have that extra 3 or 4 feet of length on the back. You can actually just walk up and down the side. You can see the awning on the back coming out there. I don't quite have it all the way out. It'll probably come out another 6 or 8 inches or so. But that awning is powered. So you just push a button, it goes in and out, along with the side awnings being powered too. Some brands are doing a manual awning on the back that you have to crank in and out by hand. So that is a little more of an upgrade on the Thunderbolt over some other brands. Another nice feature on this, it has the MoreRide ramp door. This is an upgraded ramp door. They call it a 0G ramp door. It's super easy to put up and down. A small child could do it. It's that easy. Versus a traditional door which has a big spring assist on it. The spring assist help, but they're not as light feeling as these doors here. You have the ladder on the side here that folds in and out so you can climb up and down on there. There are 2 fuel stations on this, one for the generator and one for the mobile fuel station section. Right here you can see you have your gas pump and your fuel gauge for the fuel pumps, and there's 2 inlets right there for filling up those tanks. There's a dump back here because you do have a half bath back here, and then there's also a dump up front for the other section. They're too far apart to try and tee all that together. They won't flow properly. These are gravity-fed tanks in the RV industry. Nice, clean bottom section here. The other dump is right behind that auto level jack back there. Nice big windows. These windows are a deep tint safety glass window instead of a clear glass, which is a real nice feature to help keep the inside from fading. Also helps keep it a little cooler. It's just basically like tinting the windows on your car. So that is a real nice upgrade over some other brands on the market. The unit here in particular was ordered with the extreme weather package, so those windows are also dual pane glass windows. Down below you have a low point water drain, hot and cold area there, your generator exhaust, and up here is the on-demand water heater. There's controls and stuff for that inside, but that is an on-demand water heater that is available on the Thunderbolt product here. Docking station area here, so you have your gray and black handle right here. You have outdoor shower, black tank flush, city water, fresh water, bypasses, control for the front jacks, all right there. There's also a battery disconnect back there on the left side of the wall. Here is your battery compartment section here. I'm just hooked to a little jump box right now, but basically you can put 2 or 4 batteries in there depending on what you want to put in there, and those are on little slide trays so they slide in and out. On the corner of the camper you will have a little sticker here that kind of tells you some basic information. ST235 85 R16 F range tires. 7,000 pound axles. So you got 3 7,000 pound axles. Your VIN numbers are going to be there. It's your gross weight at 21,000 pounds. All that type of stuff is here. Tire pressure, 95 psi. Then the factory also stamps a sticker right here, and it tells you your dry weight, 15,631 pounds on this particular unit. So that's kind of nice. You'll find that sticker there, and you also usually find them in the doorway when you first walk into the entry section of the camper. We'll take a couple minutes and walk you through the inside. Be sure to check out couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. My name's Ray. Give me a call, 888-417-8299, extension 203. Walking up into the coach, again, this is a triple slide unit. Looking straight ahead, we have one of the slide outs there with a Thomas Paine sofa that has power theater seat on both sides. Nice tall slide outs. Big windows again. They have the pull down roller shades for blinds. Looking toward the front of the kitchen, front of the camper here, you have a really nice U-shaped kitchen setup. A lot of counter space up there. A lot of overhead cabinets, convection microwave. Overhead cabinet also has like a little shelf area up there with an LED light. So you could put some things up top, but obviously you want to take them down when you travel. Really nice clean ceiling here. So it's ducted air, LED lights up there, speakers up there. On the side of the counter here is your DVD stereo system. You can see that little screen down there. Looking back toward the main entry door there. Again, nice clean area right there. You've got another sofa. You have the large residential refrigerator here. Now you can do a gas and electric, or you can do the residential with the inverter. So there's kind of an option when you do order these coaches. It's got the larger oven with the glass stove top. This top just flips back, kind of acts as a backsplash. Convection microwave. It is the bigger convection microwave. There's a nice stainless sink here. Has the pull-out sprayer faucet, the matching sink covers. Again, a really nice solid surface countertop. Also, if you'd like to check out more of my videos, please feel free to do so. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That will definitely help you keep up with some of the new videos that I do. On the side right here is an LED little screen, and this little screen actually has a lot of controls in it right here. This actually does your lights, has some helpful videos, awnings, slide outs. It does all kinds of really neat stuff here for some of your controls. And there's 3 of these in this particular camper, but I believe the factory is going to end up going back to just 1. It's kind of useless to have 3, honestly. But you have 1 here, 1 up by the bedroom, and 1 back in the garage to basically kind of do all that stuff. There is LED lights down there on the steps. Going up the hallway here, we have our bathroom on our left. You have the nice big one-piece fiberglass shower. Nice solid surface sink cover or sink in here. A lot of them go to a cheaper Formica sink when you get into the bathroom area. So it's kind of nice. It still has the solid surface. And then you also have a really nice upgraded fan in here too. The shower light will actually be blue or clear depending on which way you flip the shower handle there, or shower light switch there. Here is the other LED screen, or LCD screen. Into the bedroom area here. Got a queen bed. There's room to get around both sides of the bed. Nice overhead cabinetry. Another air conditioner up here, again ducted. On the left side of the bed there is a USB charging station there. And you also have the closet slide out there. The big cabinet looking door down there flips open. Little laundry basket area there. TV hookups on the wall here if you wanted to do TVs. There is quite a bit of room here on this side of the bed, more so than on the other side because of this slide out. And the bed does actually raise up, and there's some storage underneath of there too. Nice sliding door here to give you your privacy in the bedroom area. Emergency exit window. Electric outlet on both sides of the beds too. And then up top there is your TV rotation and handle for your antenna. Huge TV downstairs. Large fireplace. That's basically a fancy electric heater. Going back this way, we're going into the garage area here. Here you can see the dinette in dinette mode, but it also flips down into bed mode. There's also another bunk above that comes down. I have it pinned up right now, just out of the way. Nice big in-floor D-rings. There's a nice toolbox little section back here too. This part of the garage actually slopes down to give it a better entry for your bike, but there's a little heavy-duty ramp right there, or little toolbox area there. Coming out onto the patio area. There you can see up there, it is pre-wired for backup camera. LED lights up there for nighttime. There's a pull-down screen. That's what the little yellow strap is hanging there. Well, actually, I take that back. The strap is for an emergency exit release of the door. Just behind the strap is the handle to grab the screen and pull it down. There's TV hookups back here. There is a loft up there, and at the loft area there's also TV hookups and a little vent fan up there on this unit too. Two ladders, metal ladders. So one goes up to the loft, one is for this top bunk back here. Again, nice big windows back here. There's two windows on this side and then another huge window over here on this side. There's washer dryer hookups back here, so you got hot and cold water, drain outlet if you want to even just do another ice maker or something back here. That's another good thing to do that with. There is a little more radio function controls back here too. So that is built in right there for an extra radio. So the kids could do their thing back here, parents do their thing up front. The other LCD screen right here, bed controls, modern panel for the back half bath back here. You do have a little foot flush toilet, little sink area back here. There is no vent going out that top part, again, because of the loft. If you'd like to purchase one of these units or have any questions on our XLR brands or any of our other toy hauler brands, please feel free to give me a call. Toll-free number is 888-417-8299. My direct extension is 203. Again, it is Ray calling with Couch's RV Nation here. Be sure to check us out. CouchesRVNation.com is the main website.